everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make 腊八 garlic, 烤的腊八蒜. Pickling 腊八 garlic is a popular festival custom in northern China. 腊八 is the abbreviation of the 8th day of December in the lunar calendar. As the name suggests, garlic is pickled on this day. The pickled 腊八 garlic has a emerald green color. Don't worry if they go bad, it's just a chemical reaction between the garlic and the vinegar under the right conditions. After the 腊八 day is the spring festival, the prepared 腊八 garlic can be served with meals, such as dumplings, hot pot, noodles, meat dishes, etc. Having said all that, let's get started. Boil the jar first in order to achieve the purpose of disinfection. Be sure to put it when the water is not boiling and let the jar slowly increase the temperature so that it will not be broken by the heat. Boiling for a few minutes, take it out, let it stand upside down, and drain. Next, prepare 260 grams of garlic, preferably purple garlic. Peel the garlic, which is the most time-consuming step. If you want to make more, it will take longer. Peeling garlic also requires skill. Cut a knife at the root and remove the end. It's much easier to peel the garlic from here. Peel all the garlic. Get 230 ml vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. The traditional way is not to mix in sugar. I add some sugar in order to have a better taste. Add all the peeled garlic to the jar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Pour in the vinegar, nearly filling the jar. Close the lid and store at room temperature around 10 degrees for 5 days. Then transfer to refrigerator for 2 days. 7 days later, open the jar. You'll get the green color garlic with a nice taste. Actually, 腊八 garlic does not necessarily have to be marinated on 腊八 day, nor does it have to turn green to be successfully marinated garlic. You can also pickle a can of garlic at any time to match the congee for breakfast, as an appetizer, or as a refreshing snack to remove greasy. If you like my recipe, subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.